Welcome to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. These are just a collection of words I've written down in my quest to learn the Spanish language. I may have some of the pronunciations incorrect, but anyway, let's go with my findings. You might improve on them, but please enjoy, subscribe and like the channel if you enjoy it. But try to just listen and see if you can remember some of the words. Arms, brazos, brazos. Angry, enfadada, enfadada. Annoyed, enojada, enojada. Anyway, de todas maneras, almost, casi, awful, espantosos, age, edad, almonds, almendras, accountant, contador, advice, consejos, or aconsejar, answer, respuesta, album, armchairs, sillones, appointment, citas, are you coming? Vienes, again, otra vez, or de nuevo, asking, pidiendo, arrive late, llego tarde, alarm clock, despertador, anxious, ansiosos, avoid, evitaba, That are the Spanish words from the English words beginning with A. From arms through to avoid. There are many words that are not there, but we will come back to them later. Thank you so much for watching, listening or both to my new video on my new channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Hopefully, if you stick around with me, we can improve our knowledge of the beautiful language that is Spanish. Please, before you go, subscribe and like the channel, and hopefully we can build a big thing together. See you next time.